Are you a chocolate lover? And if you love double chocolate, you definitely don't want to miss this recipe. Today, I'm making these rich and deep chocolate cupcakes the Rabia Unfolded style. I start by placing my baking tray down and lining it with baking cups. Right after that, I preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is always the first thing I do before baking. Next, I measure out all my ingredients and line them up neatly in beautiful trays. I love doing this because it keeps everything organized and stress free. In a clean bowl, I sifted in my flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and unsweetened cocoa powder. Sifting helps bring in air and keeps the cupcakes light. Now, here's where I did something a little different. Instead of adding chocolate chips later, I added my semi-sweet and dark chocolate chips directly into the dry ingredients. I mixed everything together really well and then set them aside for the next step. Next, I prepared my coffee by mixing instant coffee with hot water and kept that aside too. This step really deepens that chocolate flavor that we're going for. In another clean bowl, I cracked in my eggs and added some vegetable oils and mixed until smooth. Then I added my milk, followed by vanilla extracts and chocolate extracts, mixing everything together nicely. Love is in the things I do. Every flavor tells the truth. From Cameroon roots so I poured in half of the coffee and gave it a good mix. Deep to the life I get to keep. Every story gently told. This is life, this is home. Rabia Unfolded. Then I added half of the dry ingredients and mixed gently. Rabia Unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite, global flavor, real life. Heavy unfolding, simple moments fully shown from my hands to your heart. I followed with the remaining dry ingredients. Welcome home. And just before everything was fully combined, I added the rest of the coffee and gave it one final mix. I did a quick test check and everything looked perfect. Using a scoop, I gently filled each baking cup. The batter is quite light, so this part is all about taking your time and being careful. Once I was done, I cleaned up any extra batter from the tray. Then I added a few extra chocolate chips on top, because why not, right? I placed the tray into the oven and baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Halfway through, I checked with a skewer. The color looks beautiful. Just take a look at these beautiful souls. but the center was still a little wet. So I popped them back in for another 5 minutes and that did the trick. The cupcakes came out perfectly baked, rich in color, and absolutely beautiful. I placed them on a wooden tray and lightly dusted them with cocoa powder. They looked amazing and they tasted even better. Baking doesn't have to be complicated. It's about enjoying the process and creating something with love. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Rabia Unfolded for more comforting homemade recipes. And until next time, keep baking, keep creating, and keep unfolding your joy. Cheers.